guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be my July Facetory unboxing and my June Facetory review. So let's just get started with what Facetory is really quick. It is a sheet mask subscription service, and you can either get 4 or 7 sheet masks sent to you monthly, and I will put information down below as well as a sign up link if you want, and I believe the sign up link I have does get you a couple free masks if you sign up. And I don't want to take all day because unboxing and reviewing is going to take a while, so any information, prices, anything will be down below. Let's just get started with unboxing the July box, and it says just keep glowing like it usually does, and this one says where to next, and it's like a little ticket, and use destination 20 to get 20% off our marketplace. So I'll put that in the description box as well. If there are any individual masks that you see that I'm talking about here today, you can buy them individually and you can get 20% off with the code destination 20. And it says, Happy July, where are you going to next? The endless possibilities are waiting for you. Wherever it may be, this month's sheet mask will get your skin prepped and glowing for your getaways. And I'm super excited about this month's tissue paper. I know that's a silly thing to get excited about, but the different colored tissue paper always excites me. And this is like pastel, rainbow, polka dots. So exciting. Per usual, we have the card with the description of the mask, the brand, the prices, the ingredients, all of that. So let's just get started with the first one. And if I didn't say, this is the 7 Luxe box. So this is the 7 Luxe masks sent to you monthly. So the first one is the Yada Soothing Jelly Pack Mask, and it is $4 US. It says, too much exposure to the sun while on vacation and in need of some soothing? Yada's Soothing Jelly Pack has got you covered with its ability to soothe and hydrate your skin. It has Opuntia ficus indica extract, which soothes and hydrates, aloe, which is anti-inflammatory and hydrating, and Bambusa vulgaris, which is anti-inflammatory and helps reduce and smooth out wrinkles. So I get this subscription to share with my fiance because he likes to do masks with me, and this is going to be a mask for him. One, because there's aloe in it, and aloe is an ingredient I react to, but 2, because he always forgets to put sunscreen on and he's always getting burnt and needs soothing and recovery. So this will be really good for him, and I'm excited to have a after sun mask basically. Next is the Medias Cream Mask Gold Sericin, and it has sericin, which is rich in amino acids and helps collagen production to minimize wrinkles and promote a healthy skin barrier. Meadow foam seed oil, an antioxidant-rich oil that softens and moisturizes the skin, and hyaluronic acid, which helps the skin retain water, making it plump and elastic. So I think this sounds like one that would be good for me to try because it doesn't seem like it has any of my no-no ingredients, and I'm always up for some hydrating and moisturizing and minimizing of the wrinkles. I'm always up for that. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's the Mona Lisa, but she's doodled on. Oh, that is too cute. So this is the Aurere Bua firming mask. Don't have the luxury to take a trip to see the Mona Lisa at the Louvre? Well, we brought Paris to you with this firming mask that will create a smooth and soft canvas. Has glycerin, which is a humectant that moisturizes the skin by drawing water from the air, which I already knew. Betaine, which is an anti-irritant and humectant, and cauliflower extract. This one could be good, it could not be good. Colorado is pretty dry, so I tend to stay away from humectants. I would like a little firming for sure, so we'll see if Justin wants to try this. If not, I will be happy to try this. This one's cute too. It looks like a little kid drew on it. It's the Dr. Lola London Shopper Mask, and it says it will get your skin the right direction with its ability to smooth and hydrate. It has pearl extract, and that repairs damaged skin and helps with cell regeneration and increasing the elasticity, and milk protein extract, which is non-irritating and hydrates, nourishes, and locks in moisture. And my fiance either has a dairy allergy or lactose intolerance. I don't know what it is, and I don't know if it's just with his digestion or if it is with his whole body. So since it has milk in it, I'm gonna keep it for myself. Just because, I don't know, we haven't gone to the doctor to find out quite what is going on with him and dairy, but we probably should avoid it for 20 minutes soaking into his skin, probably. Oh my gosh, I've been forgetting to say how much these are. So the Media's cream mask is $4, the firming mask is $3, and the London Shopper mask is $4. So sorry about that. So sorry, I forgot the prices. And then the fifth mask is the Barisom Soda Bubble Mask Aqua Fruit Mask. It has grape extract, which exfoliates and moisturizes, and peach fruit extract, which eliminates free radicals and prevents aging, and Centella asiatica extract, which is high in antioxidants, fights inflammation, and provides anti-aging properties. And I personally really enjoy bubble masks, and the last time Justin tried a bubble mask, it really irritated his skin. So I'm gonna say this is one for me, and I'm really excited to have another bubble mask because I love that tingly, like, squishy feeling. I don't know, it's so fun. I love bubble masks, and I'm really excited to try a new kind this month. The sixth mask is the Wanjin Effect Step Up Amino Mask, and this 3-step mask is perfect to use on your getaway with convenient steps, which will keep your skin looking flawless for days to come. It is $4.50 US, and I forgot to say the bubble mask is $4, and it has a lifting eye gel, and that has niacinamide and improves the appearance of fine lines, uneven skin tone, and strengthens the surface of your skin. Amino Up Toner, which has Lysoon, helps regenerate aging skin and reduce fine lines and sagging. And then a amino mask with mushroom extract, which has anti-inflammatory properties to help acne, rosacea, and eczema. Alanine, a conditioning agent, which will give you a smoother appearance. So this sounds like a really good all-in-one treatment, and I think either one of us could try this. I think it'll probably be me though, because Justin doesn't like multi-step masks. Like, he just wants to smack it on and be done. So this will probably be me trying this one out, but we'll see. It could be either one of us. Whoa, this one looks crazy. What is this? It looks like Instagram, first of all. This is the Entia No Filter Moisturizing Camera Mask. You can never take too many photos on vacation. Let the packaging of the mask inspire you as you use this mask to get a no filter look. So this is a vitamin C powder ampule, and you rub it into your face after cleansing, and then you apply the mask for 15 to 20 minutes, and it has allotonin, which softens, smooths, and protects, Kakadu plum extract, which has vitamin C and antioxidants, and then sodium hyaluronate, which is moisturizing and helps with blemishes and aging. So this seems like a really cool thing. I've never heard of vitamin C powder before, so I'd be excited to try this one out. So far, the pile I have, because when I do these unboxings, I like separate ones that definitely will be for Justin to try and definitely will be for me to try. He gets one. So we're gonna have to figure this out. He's probably gonna get at least half of these to try because we like to mask together. But I'm really excited because that is 6 out of the 7 masks that don't have no ingredients for me. I can try 6 out of the 7 masks this month, and they all sound really fun. So I'm super excited about July's box. let's get into June's review. So I keep all of the packaging, and I just write notes on the packaging, and I keep the cards so I remember what box or what mask is what. And the first mask was the OSQ Dual Bubble Talk Talk mask. I tried this mask. I felt it deep cleaned and was fun and tingly and not irritating. Like, it was an enjoyable experience as a bubble mask, but it did leave my skin feeling a little dry and tight, but it also left me feeling super smooth. And this one is $6, so maybe as a special treat I would repurchase it, but it did leave me a little dry and tight, so I'm not sure that I would spend $6 on it. It's like a maybe. Like, I recommend it, it's good, but it does have a higher price point, so I hesitate to recommend it because of that, but it is good. So I will put it in the description box, definitely, as one of my recommended masks. I am putting all the masks I would repurchase and I would recommend as individual links down in the description box in case you want to check them out. Next was the Bano Baby Face Injection Mask, and this one Justin tried. This one was supposed to soothe and restore and tighten and help with wrinkles and all of that good stuff. And Justin said it diminished wrinkles, it's smooth, it helps with his sun damage, and he gives it a huge thumbs up, and he definitely would repurchase and reuse this one again. And I wish that I could try this. I cannot try this one. It does, I believe, have soy, or yeah, it has soy in it, so I can't personally use this one, but I would repurchase this one again for Justin. He said it did everything it claimed and he loved it. Next was the When 10 p.m. mask. I tried this one, or the second mask, the baby face injection, was $4.50, so I would repurchase that for $4.50. If it definitely did everything it claimed for Justin, $4.50 is worth it. So this one though is $9, and it is supposed to plump skin, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and tone and brighten the skin. And I felt fresh and smooth and clear and bright after this, and I felt like my skin just looked like I had just gotten a facial, and it looked really good. But I don't know, $9 is a lot for a single mask. So maybe for a special occasion I would splurge on this because it was really good. Like, I even wrote 3 hearts on it because I liked it so much. So I'm definitely gonna put this in the recommend list, but I might save this only for special occasions. Then is the Rose Heart Deep Moisturizing Pink Mask. This one is $5 US, and this one I had my roommate slash best friend try, Kristen, because it had ingredients that both Justin and I were wary of. So she left it on for 12 minutes, she said. It's a 2-step thing. There was a little heart up top here, a little ampule, and she said that it was moisturizing and cooling and revitalizing, but it did feel a little sticky after taking it off. And I think just based on that it was just moisturizing and cooling and didn't really, you know, well, I guess all it's supposed to do is moisturize, but I don't think this would go on my repurchase list because neither Justin and I can use it, and Kristen didn't seem too wowed by it. She just, you know, said it was just moisturizing and it felt a little sticky, so not super enjoyable experience. So this, I would say, is not a recommend or repurchase. The next mask is the Leaders in Solution Juicy Pina Colada Bright Mask Pineapple and Coconut. It is $4 US, and this one is supposed to soothe, hydrate, anti-age, lighten hyperpigmentation, help with large pores, uneven skin tone. And I tried this one. I feel that it did moisturize, it did reduce my dark spots, and gosh, this is hard to read. I don't know what that last thing is. I can't read it. I think maybe it's hydrating. That's the thing, when you write on these and then they have extra serum and moisture gets on it and it wipes off your writing. It's a good plan at first, but then it falls apart. I remember, because I did this just a couple days ago, I remember I hated it in the first few minutes because it smelled so strongly of pina colada and so coconutty, and I hate coconuts and I hate the smell of coconuts. I'm not allergic to them, I just can't stand the smell, and it was just so terrible. But then after the smell faded and it went away, I actually really enjoyed it, and I really like how it made my skin look. So for $4, I think I would repurchase this again. It was a good mask. It's just the fragrance. If you don't like coconuts, it is a lot of coconutty fragrance and it is tough to handle at first. The next mask is the Meg 2-Step Jelly Mask Soothing and Brightening. It is $6 US and it is supposed to reduce acne and provide anti-aging and cleanse skin and prevent blemishes while minimizing redness and soothing irritation. And I personally tried this one. First, there's a swab with the lactic acid that you put all over your face, and then there's the mask with the rose flower extract that you leave on for like 20 minutes. I did not like this one. It left me splotchy and there were little bumps, like texture all over my skin, like not quite a full-blown rash, but like my skin was definitely reacting to it and I felt a little bit itchy. So maybe it was the rose flower, the Rosa Demensa flower extract that irritated me. But if you have sensitive skin, I would definitely stay away from this one because it took me a couple of days to recover from that and get those bumps to go away and calm my skin back down. So don't recommend. The last mask is the No HJ Modeling Mask Serum Chrysanthemum, and this was $4 US. And this one Justin tried. Oh my gosh, this was the one that looked like gold lacy roses all over your face, and I was so jealous that he picked this one because I was like, I want to look that pretty. He was like, I feel super feminine and really pretty. But all kidding aside of the appearance of the mask, because the mask is like covered in gold floral patterns, it was too much serum and it was extremely wet. He liked the mask, but it was just too much serum for him. It just, even like 20 minutes after he took off the mask with trying to pat it all in, there was still excess serum and he was still all wet. So I'm not sure that this would be a repurchase. I kind of want to repurchase it just because it was such a cool looking mask. I want to try it for myself. Even though he liked it, he still didn't, like, he liked the results, but he didn't seem to enjoy the process of the mask itself because it was so extremely wet. I'm gonna put this in the recommends list because he did say he liked it. I wrote it down that Justin likes this mask, thumbs up, but it's so wet, so just be aware of that there's a lot of serum and you will be wet for like half an hour after you take it off. So those were all 7 of the masks from June. And like I said, the masks I recommend I will leave down below. I definitely think June was worth it because there were only 2 masks out of the 5 that I would say are definite no. And then there's like a couple maybes, but only because of like the 10 p.m. mask because it's so expensive. But I would say overall the majority of the masks I did enjoy, or Justin enjoyed. I think it was a really good box and I'm happy that I spent the money on it. Don't forget that there will be that coupon code down below if you want to purchase any individual masks for 20% off. I will leave that for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!